Welcome to the largest bacon factory in America. Here, cutting-edge technology meets traditional smoking methods on an unprecedented scale. Turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing factory tour.
Before we begin, subscribe for more incredible factory documentaries from around the world.
This modern factory produces thousands of kilograms of premium bacon every hour using advanced food processing technology. The process begins with carefully selected premium pork bellies, arriving under strict temperature-controlled conditions.
The AI flagged this one for density variation at grid C.
Reroute it for secondary analysis immediately. This modern factory produces thousands of kilograms of premium bacon every hour using advanced food processing technology.
Check the temperature on tank 7. It's reading a little high. Ramping up the coolant now. Should stabilize in a moment.
Look here, the core temperature projections are exceeding the threshold.
Rerouting the cycle parameters. That should compensate for the density variable.
The automated system ensures precise temperature control, guaranteeing a perfect cure every time.
The robotic conveyor systems ensure perfect alignment. This precision is key to the high-speed slicing process that follows.
This one here seems a bit off color. Yes, pull it for further review.
Utilizing advanced optical scanners, the AI assesses consistency and quality in real time, ensuring only the finest product reaches the consumer. Freshly sliced, these strips move continuously along the conveyor belts, showcasing the beautiful red meat and creamy white fat. Dawn, our state-of-the-art refrigerated network delivers premium dry-cured bacon. We supply the finest supermarkets, hotels, and cruise lines globally.
Where do you want these bacon cartons, Chef?
By the prep station, please. We're getting slammed, so move quickly.
We need more bacon on section 3. Coming right up, Chef.